to the district or to any outpost or SDPO as the case may be. So this also both the rules and the have been approved by the the cabinet has approved the amendment of service rule relating to the establishment of the Directorate of Dairy Development brought about by the Animal and Husbandry Department. And number 4 is the minor amendment to the Maglias Stamp payment of duty by means of E-Stamp Rule 2020. So these are the four items which the cabinet has approved. As I said, number 1, the Maglias Private Security Agency Rules 2021, this has been approved. Number 2, proposal of restructuring of S10, an amendment of Maglias Special Force Amendment Rules 2016. Number 3 is the establishment relating to the establishment of Directorate of Dairy Development. 4 is amendment of Maglias Stamp payment on duty by means of E-Stamping Rules 2020. This has been approved by the cabinet.
So what did the government decide to restructure this special force then?
You see, after observing the situation all over the state, then the government, the Home Police has, in order to maximize the productivity, to maximize the use of resources in the state. So, and considering that the resource of the state to augment the availability of personnel in different outposts, police station or district, so that's why the Home Police has brought this cabinet memo, which duly approved by the cabinet.
Sir, is that means that recently we have seen there were a lot of abduction cases in Darwin. Will this help in those cases also?
See, once we have strengthened the police personnel in different district or outposts or police station, then it will surely help in curbing the crime of the everyday crime which happen all over the state. As I mentioned to you, that as of now, 1,387 SF10 out of the total sanctioned strength of 1,784, which the cabinet has approved to restructure into 905. So we have a balance of 482 SF10. So this 482, we could transfer to different district for the better policing in different part of the district of the state.
How many will be given to Darwin?
What is the reason for restructuring the SF10?
I will get you.
What is the reason for restructuring?
The reason is that now we have seen that, if you remember, that this SF10 was established purposely to see the overall law and order in the state regarding the militancy and also the disaster management and all. And we have seen that regarding this disaster management, the revenue and the disaster management have their own people to man, and we have seen that with this reduce in militancy all over the state, so there is a need to restructure this SF10 so that maximum benefit will derive by using this same personnel in the other district to curb this other crime which happen from time to time.
I want to get a clarification. The most important thing is COVID. Last month, the cabinet discussed about anything about the COVID situation.
The cabinet will have the review meeting tomorrow. Today we have